Seems like I missed you. We're numpty bollocks. In America, they'd say, are you awake yet? In posh English, this might be, get up, will you? Or perhaps in London, they may say, oi, Sean, get your ass out of bed, you lazy bugger. If like in Birmingham, they may say, Tommy, get your ass out of bed and down the cut, mate. In Australia, they may say, get up, you flaming galah. We got to hit the surf, mate. Whereas in Wales, and this is a fucking true story, I shit you not, there used to be people who went around before alarm clocks and they used to wake people up by going, hey up! Walking past the houses going, hey up! Please tell me if you remember this and it's actually true, because I still haven't met anybody who's actually confirmed that it's true. So you, which I missed previously, is for, hey up! And I think you'll agree that would definitely wake you from your slumber if somebody was going past your house at 5 a.m. every day going, hey up! Whilst he was walking his dog or perhaps his ferret. So have a good day, follow for more, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment to help me beat the old algorithm of death. Thanks very much, and wherever this finds you, have a good day.